Nobody taught this network the rules. To tell a cat from a dog, it was never given a checklist. No whiskers, no ears, no instructions. Just a guess. At first, that guess is pure random. Total nonsense. It looks at a cat and confidently says dog. Inside are millions of tiny dials, all spun to noise, connected layer by layer. So we measure exactly how wrong it was. That gap between its guess and the truth is called the error, one single number. And shrinking that number is the entire game. The network sends that error backward, asking every single dial one question: did you push toward the right answer, or away from it? Then it nudges each one a hair in the better direction. One example barely moves them. But show it millions of examples, and those dials slowly drift into place. No rules were ever written. That's it. That's learning. And the exact same trick runs ChatGPT, just with 1 trillion dials.